Hey friends, welcome back to The Life of Ray. I'm Rachel, and this month I'm working on simplifying my life, starting with my closet. This is part of my January Closet Reset series, so go ahead and hit subscribe so that you can follow along. Today we're going to be starting with handbags, and we're going to separate our handbags into 3 categories: our keep pile, our donate pile, or for me, our selling pile, or you can do your trash pile. All right, step 1 is scary. I've already done step 1, and if you're following along, you can go ahead and do step 1, which is taking all your bags out of your closet to see what you actually have. All right, let's do it. Okay, so now that I have all the purses in the pile, we're going to separate it in 3 categories: keep, donate, or sell. And I'll put a link in the description in case you're interested on buying any products that I put for sale. Okay, let's do it. First up, we have this Coach purse. It is gorgeous, and right now it's just a scarf holder. So I bought this from Coach, I don't know how long ago, but yeah, it still has the paper inside, and I maybe used it like once or twice, but I'm still gonna keep it because I mean, all my purses are in excellent condition, but I love it. So this one's a keeper, and I'll put the scarves back in there. Next is this Kate Spade, and this is a crossbody, and I think I'm going to put this for sale. This is another Kate Spade. Gorgeous purse. Never worn it. It still has all the papers inside. Call me crazy, but I think I'm going to put it for sale. And this is Madden Girl. Still has the tags on it. And I think this is giving Clueless vibes, but I think I'm going to put it for sale. Next is this wallet, and this is going to go for sale. This is another Kate Spade. This still has a tag on it. And guess what? I think I'm going to put it for sale. This crossbody, my dad actually got this for me, I think from Mexico or Costa Rica or somewhere, but I'm going to keep this. Next up is this Michael Kors purse, crossbody purse. Michael Kors is kind of bent, but I think I'm going to put this up for sale. It's in pretty good condition. Has minimum wear on the bottom, like something scratched it, but it's gonna go for sale. Next up, this is my mom travel purse, Marc Jacobs, the tote bag. Like, this is my mom purse. I'm keeping it. This Coach purse, I have to keep. My husband bought this for me, I think when we first got married. It's complete leather Coach purse. I have to keep it. Dooney and Burke. Are we gonna keep, donate, or put it up for sale? And I'm gonna say I'm gonna keep it only because it's magnetic closure, and then it has a zipper, and you can use it without the straps, so I'm gonna keep this one. Comment below if I should donate this or if I should just try to sell it. It's another Kate Spade. And I think I'm gonna try to sell this because it's not big enough for me. It has like the wallet, the card holder, a pocket here and a pocket there. It's going for sale. Love this color, and I think I'm going to keep it. Let's see. Yeah, guys, I'm gonna keep this one. And hold on a second. If you've been in this video for this long and you haven't subscribed, go ahead and click the subscribe button and join the community. Now, I have this Coach purse, and this purse is actually from when I was dating my husband. This is the first gift that he ever bought me, so to keep the peace, I'm going to keep the purse. And inside of it, I have this Fossil purse. I think I'm going to donate it. There's nothing wrong with it, but I think I'm just going to donate it, this Fossil purse. Another Kate Spade purse, and I think I'm going to keep this one because it's bright, you know, on a nice summer day. It has the chain handle, so this one is going to be a keeper. I have another Kate Spade purse. Kate Spade, again, I think I'm going to keep it for the color because most of my bags are neutral, and so this one and the yellow one are like keepers. It's a tote, and I think I'm going to keep this for summer because my sister, actually my twin sister, got this for me for Christmas, and I'm definitely keeping this. And it's a nice tote purse. You can use it for the beach. It's a keeper. This is Kate Spade New York again, and I think I'm going to try to sell this one. There's nothing wrong with it. Still has the paper inside. for the simple fact of this handle. It's not my favorite, but it's in pretty good condition. Leather. This Christmas tote. I think I'm going to keep this. My sister just gave this to me for the Christmas season, and I think I'm just going to keep it for next year. I have this crossbody tote. This one I'm going to donate. We have a Coach tote. Now this one is leather. It has some wear to it, and I actually think I'm going to donate this one. Gonna donate. Let's take backpack, and I think there's something inside. Let's see. Yes, there is more inside. So inside this one is another backpack, which I think I'm going to donate. I really don't need this, but I am going to keep this. That was day one of our January Declutter series, where we went through all the purses. Like I said, I'm going to put a link in the description in case you're interested in buying any of the purses that I am going to put up for sale. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel, join the community, and I'll see you for day two. Bye.